done, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the details of your data set that you collected?
So for my data set, I collected 3 events. So the first one is encounter. So I collected 256K.
Remind me again, your data set look like what?
It's mostly numbers lah. Wait,
How do you collect?
I use JSON at request. I use the API and then I request and I compress it to JSON.
So you request from who?
From GFW API transfer.
There's a particular website that you can collect.
Global Fishing Watch. They take the raw AIS data and they give us I think this one is the no, this is not the one.
So you're in my data visualization class, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So from which year lah? What is the demographics lah? Are there balance?
So for mine, it's not balanced because of focusing on encounter data. So I for all of them I clean and then I aggregate by vessel ID so that one row is one vessel only, and then for the rows that don't have encounter I didn't include them because I'm focusing on encounter. So there's like massive encounter data and a little bit of filtering and get data. But since I'm using this tool just as a supplementary data, I didn't use any smart technique or so.
Okay. So after smoke, balance out.
Then the smart.
You do smoke. But then how long?
Because I created a CRI indicator, so I use the features to like create a risk score. So this is the the formula. So I use these and then I like use the mean of it and I mean it for the CRI. So I didn't have to have the balanced data set for this.
So your calculated risk is
Yeah.
you're using this as one of the feature or not?
No, I'm using this as the target.
Oh, this is the target. So calculated risk. Explain your data set. What is the composition? What are the features in the data set?
There's actually a lot of I didn't include in this slide because there's like around 50 for each data set. So mostly it's about the duration of the event, the distance from shore and the port, and also the IDs and that's about it.
Main data set. So you're using main data set for training?
For training. For basically, since I'm doing the graph, it's mainly for the graph construction. So to make it fair to achievers, I also use this as the main data set.
All three of these, they are going to be combined or what?
Yes, I combine by vessel ID.
Okay, then if you combine, so your actual data set is this one. Is this number only?
No. I first I clean it and I got this, and then I created a few features, and then I aggregate by vessel ID. So I have this amount of vessel ID, and then I filter by rows that have encounters on this. So I got only 26,000 vessels. So that's my rows.
Now you have 26
Yeah.
samples.
Yeah.
You are going to divide them, or you're just going to run cross validation?
For now I use 80-20 stratified by risk level, but for next FYP2 I'm planning to run different. So I've actually already done the model training to compare, and these are my configuration for XGBoost and HOA, and for ablation analysis I also use the same configuration as HOA GAT.
This is your baseline.
This is the baseline. This is my model. Okay. And actually the result is not as what I was expecting.
HOA, this is you did some modification, is it?
No.
No. Then is this itself a model or is this something some framework that you propose?
Oh no, this is the graph extension network. It's just that for the basic GAT, it doesn't like consider the weight of the edge. So for this particular data set, the weight of the edge is very important. So I use HOA GAT instead of basic GAT.
Okay. So but you did not change anything of the
No.
you are going to tune it.
I'm planning to hyper tune it.
So actually this is kind of the baseline of your GAT because after this you are going to tune it. Alright. So okay, explain your result. Is it good? Is it not good?
So it's not as what I was expecting. So I was expecting that graph actually means something to the dataset, but actually XGBoost performed almost like perfectly. So and then I ran ablation analysis to see if the graph actually gave any meaningful meaning to that to training, and I found that across all the ablation, HOA actually performed worse, which means that the graph basically means it doesn't contribute much. So for next FYP I'm planning to see why exactly that happens, and I'm trying to analyze the graph to see if maybe I can improve it, and I'm also planning to use GAT-V2 as well as residual GAT to see if I can improve that model.
Yeah, okay. You have to test more. Yeah, I think it's here. You have to do a lot of things here to tune and then to test the others. Just now you said you did some ablation test.
Yeah, this is the ablation. It's basically the graph. I only self-loop, so it's only direction to itself, and then I do one that has no edge attribute at all, which is basically basic GAT.
So it was.
It's not exactly.
This one is actually better. Oh, so. In comparison, XGBoost is what?
Like perfect.
100 times
Yeah.
lower. Alright, so I want to see how it does in the next FYP. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Yeah. Oh, Doctor will also be the same until the end.
Yes, you're stuck with me.
Okay, thanks, Doctor.
Okay lah. Dah ada apa-apa so ada pun. Apa yang dia nak?
Pasal configuration.
Iya.
Siapa tu?
Jonathan di sini.